What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing my brand new piece of silver. As you can probably tell by the title and the thumbnail, it's the 2-ounce Silver Kraken. Really quick, just in case you're new, make sure to subscribe for daily videos. Also subscribe to my second channel, which is my backup channel for exclusive weekly content. Brand new video over there, go check it out. The link will be in the description. And if you want to help support the channel by getting some DYDSS merchandise, of course we have some t-shirts and hoodies which are up for grabs, precious metal themed, along with a ton of other products, many of which are raising funds and awareness for different charity organizations. Any and all merchandise can be found by clicking the first link in the description section down below. Thank you in advance, it's more than appreciated. But today is Friday, one day early. The estimated delivery date was supposed to be Saturday, potentially Monday. So I ended up getting kind of lucky, I guess. And full disclosure, I already chopped it open to make sure I was opening up the correct piece of silver. So could you imagine me talking about the Silver Kraken and I open it up and it's something else? But that's a little thank you note on there. So I ended up getting this off of eBay. Before I guess show it off, let me talk about how I got it. I got it off of eBay. A lot of people during my live streams had to tell me, hey man, you gotta get the Silver Kraken. What do you think of the Silver Kraken? And typically when it comes to coins like that are a part of a series or whatever the case may be, I usually aren't all that interested. I usually say, cool looking coin, I'm probably not gonna stack it. Reason for that is because I don't really enjoy paying really high premiums. And just out of curiosity, I went to a couple different sites, as I always do. I opened up 3, 4, 5 tabs. I went to 3, 4, 5 different sites, checked out how much they were going for per site, and I was like, yeah, that's a little steep. Then I checked out eBay, and I saw this up for grabs. There was an auction, so I placed a bid, went to sleep, had a dream about the friggin' coin. It was the first time I ever dreamt about silver before. Woke up and I won. So that's the story behind that. So now let's check out the friggin' coin. This is actually my very first piece of silver of this denomination. I do not have any 2-ounce piece of silver. Let's see, is that taped? It is taped. So this is my very first piece of silver. That's a 2 troy ounce piece. Look at that right there. Absolutely beautiful. And no, in case anybody's wondering, the coin is not scratched up. The container it's in has a couple scratches on it. The seller on eBay made that very clear. So again, this is not something that I typically would go for, but I really couldn't help myself. I saw it, I really liked the way that it looked. I decided, hey, you know what? I'm gonna do it. I decided that this is something that I wanted, something that I actually got for pretty good price, to be honest. I mean, with the premiums on coins right now, and not even just coins like this, I'm talking about the Silver Eagle, the Silver Maple, all of them, they have kind of steep premiums right now, and it's not really the smartest time to be going for coins. I just typically am, for the last couple weeks anyway, I've been going for rounds and 90%. But this, I ended up getting a really good deal on. I don't have the exact number off the top of my head, but it's quite a few dollars less than any of the online precious metal dealer storefronts. And then obviously on this side, we got the queen. This side's a little bit nicer to look at. But here's the thing. I get 10% cash back for July, August, and September when I make purchases through PayPal, aka every single one of my eBay orders. So I paid quite a few dollars less than all the online precious metal dealer storefronts are selling these for, and I got 10% of my own currency back just for trading those pieces of currency for this piece of money. So it's pretty interesting. So for those of you who do not know, this right here is a 2-ounce silver Creatures of the North, which is a Canadian coin series. The 2020 is the Kraken. And this is the first one. So I definitely got my hands on something cool. And also, something else that's interesting about this is the airtight came free with it, and I've never owned a coin in an airtight with the actual black rim going around it. I've never had an airtight like that. I usually just have, let me show you. If I have any airtights, whether it's for gold or whether it's for silver, they all look like this, just clear. This is the only one that I have that actually has that black border. So it's actually pretty cool. It's really nice. It makes the coin pop a little bit more. Now let me talk about the denominations of silver really quick, because I only have a few denominations, and I'm talking about pure silver. This is a 4/9 fine pure silver coin. Also, if you flip it over, you can actually see $10. Canadian dollars, that is. But I have only a couple denominations. I got 10 ounces. I got, where's that 5 ounce? Somewhere around here. I got 5 ounce. Of course, I have 1 ounce. And as of just a few weeks ago, got my first half-ounce silver round. So the only denominations I have of pure silver, that is half ounce, 1 ounce, now 2 ounce, 5 ounce, and 10 ounce. So I've been talking about it a little bit. I've been briefly mentioning it in my recent live streams and my recent videos that I had a brand new piece of silver coming my way, a coin I've never owned before, and a denomination of silver I've never owned before. It's my very first 2 ounce piece of silver. And I'm pretty happy with it. So it has the Kraken. Let me give you guys a better look at that. Let's see. I don't know if I can get that to focus all right, but that's probably about the best I can do. So you guys can see, it's got the Kraken in the ocean, completely obliterating a ship. I cannot wait to see what the 2021 creature of the North is going to be, but the 2020 is the Kraken. And I was actually just thinking about it just now. It's kind of funny that the Kraken is the 2020 creature of the North creature, because the entire year of 2020 has been somewhat of a Kraken if you think about it, completely destroying everything. You know, the ship can represent the economy and the Kraken can represent the global health crisis, the pandemic going on right now. So the ship can represent the planet and everyone on it. The Kraken can represent the sea bug, which is what we call it over here to stay off the radar on YouTube. They don't like me referring to it by what it's actually called, the name of the sickness, so that's, I'll leave it at that. But that right there is my brand new piece of silver. I'm definitely excited about it. Once again, it's not really something that I ever really would have considered getting. I mean, it's absolutely a beautiful looking coin. I mean, look how cool that is. Beautiful design. This side, not so much, but silver, silver. I don't care what's on it. But on this side, really cool, really interesting. And I'm typically drawn to any kind of silver, even if it's a round. It could be a generic round or a bar or something like that. If it has some type of animal on it or something with nature, whether it be a tree or a leaf or an animal or really anything, I'm just drawn to it. Which is why I've always been a fan of the Canadian maple. Beautiful looking coin. The silver eagle, beautiful looking coin. The kangaroo, beautiful looking coin. I'm just drawn to any kind of coin like that, so I'm definitely happy that I ended up getting this. If I was unable to get it for the price that I did get it for, I probably would not have gotten it. I'm trying to get as much silver as I possibly can for the lowest dollar amount. I'm not really interested in paying a high premium right now. And there's no real need to pay a high premium when you could just get 90% or generic silver for a little bit lower of a premium. You know, silver at the end of the day. A troy ounce of silver is a troy ounce of silver. So, I mean, why not take a step back away from the $25, $26, $27, $28 Silver Eagles and pick myself up a $21, $22 Silver Buffalo round or something like that. So I got this for a steal. I don't remember the exact dollar amount, but I know a lot of the online precious metal dealers, these things are going for anywhere from $45 to maybe $50 or so, which kind of makes sense. It's a 2-ounce piece of silver. Chop that in half, give or take about 24, 25 bucks maybe per troy ounce. I mean, it is a coin after all, so kind of makes sense. But I paid a little bit less than that. If I had to guess, I probably paid closer to $22, give or take, meaning $44, because it's a 2-ounce coin. And I got 10% of my own cash back, so I paid even less than that. So anyway, that's my unboxing. I don't normally unbox just one single piece of silver. I did today because this is the only piece of silver that I ordered. I do actually have some more on the way to my house, some more 90%. I'm probably not going to do an unboxing because it's really all the same stuff, just a bunch of silver dimes and whatnot. So nothing all that interesting, nothing all that different, nothing all that new. This, brand new. This is something that not a lot of people have, and I've yet to even come across a video talking about the Silver Kraken, so I don't even know if all that many people here on YouTube have the coin yet, so I don't know. I'm probably not the first, but I'm definitely probably one of the first. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button. If you guys like me, make sure to subscribe. New videos every single day, 365 days a year. Also subscribe to my second channel, which is my backup channel for exclusive weekly content. Brand new video over there. Go check it out. The link will be in the description. Trying really hard to hit 2,000 subscribers now because we just hit 1,000. I appreciate that. The link will be in the description. And if you want to help support the channel in the biggest possible way, please consider getting yourself some DYDSS merchandise. Of course, we have some precious metal themed t-shirts and hoodies, which are up for grabs, along with a ton of other products, t-shirts, hoodies, even stickers, many of which are raising funds and awareness for different charity organizations. Any and all merchandise can be found by clicking the first link in the description section down below. Thank you in advance. It's more than appreciated, and I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know, number one, what do you think of the Silver Kraken? What do you think of the Creatures of the North series? Do you have a Silver Kraken yet? If not, do you plan on getting one? Do you want one? Is this a coin that you could see yourself picking up, even if you don't get a whole bunch of them? Is it something that you would get just one, just because it'd be cool, just because it'd be fun? Is it something that you could pick up, or something that you'd be willing to pick up, or no? Let me know in the comments. Anything and everything related to the Silver Kraken, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. And remember, don't you dare stop smiling. Peace.